Right, hopefully this is going to be a nice quick video. Just a Spiderman CD FM radio. All works great, except someone has pinched the wire. They've pulled the wire out. Should be coming out of that hole there. So just a quick video on how to change it. Missing the light over this side. Hey, that's better. Right, already taken the screws out, so I was just having a quick look at this. Back should slide off. I've got a couple of connectors. That is actually our aerial connector. I shall pull this one out of here just to give me a bit more room. And that come through there? Yeah. So that's all the aerial is. It's one little black wire. They've glued it into place. It's going round underneath there, up there. And if you can see down in there, that's where it comes out, this little hole here. Someone's decided to snap that off. Now let's just pull that out of there. They've hot glued it into place. If you want to remove hot glue, IPA on that hot glue. We've got a bit this side as well. A few drops of IPA on there. And then this hot glue usually breaks free. You still need to pick it up. But it will come off a lot easier than normal. See, it's not even stuck to it now. So let's just pull this out of there. You're going to come out of there? No. Come on, this is meant to be a quick fix. Right, so that's out of there. Now I've got some of this wire. It's a little bit thicker and stiffer. Not got anything that thin. But it should do. Doesn't have to be super long, but as long as it fits through that hole. So it basically needs to come around the bottom and back up here. So we'll put a knot in it. That will stop anyone from putting that back through the hole down in there. Right, I'm just going to cut this original one. We're going to solder it back in, solder it together. Strip a little bit off there. Strip a little bit off there. Bit of heat shrink tubing. Is it going to fit in there? Yep. You're going to need like half of that. Remember to put that on there and out the way for when we're soldering, otherwise it will shrink down and you won't be able to move it back. Just get a bit of solder on this wire, pre-tin it. Just makes our life a little bit easier. Same with this little wire. Little bit of solder on there. Join the two together. Bring up the heat shrink. Shrink it down with my hot air gun, set to 150. I think this shrinks at 125 degrees. Although that's the temperature marking it's got on it. Just spin it round so you get all sides. Job. done. That wire's held pretty well in there, so I'm not too worried about gluing it back in. Don't think it's going to come out. Plug it in. Radio. Turn it on. Well, now we have a distant signal. Let's find something that's not music.
Prepares us a bowl of Pyongyang's famous.
Where Tim Mansell has seen firsthand how the opioid crisis still
There you go, normal radio.
on American communities.
There's a sense of order about Stephen Campman. He's clean-shaven, closely cropped grey hair, framed sophisticated.
There you go. Nice, quick, simple. Just put a little black aerial on there. So, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.